Welcome to my demonstration showing the Lectora's capabilities for 508 compliance. Today we are going to be discussing adding alt text to images, embedding a test video, 508 options for closed captioning, and then reviewing some question and answer options for testing. So what we're doing is we are learning about Lectora and identifying its capabilities to perhaps being used across the Office of Research Services to convert classroom training into electronic learning training, which would be really beneficial, especially since this training could be used not only just on the NIH campus, but at Rocky Mountain Laboratories, the IRF Frederick facilities, and Baltimore, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to go and show you the that Lectora has the ability to add alt text to an image, and you can see on the top right here that this is the menu that's behind the scenes that the instructor would be using to add an image name. Now, for more complex descriptions, you can add them, and this is really handy for when you have like a chart or a graph of some sort, and you can add a text box or an alt text box that is more in depth, and it would actually pop up when someone's scrolling over that chart or picture. Also, one of the other things that I looked into was to see Lectora's capability to adding closed captioning for videos. So what you can do is you can convert a video to Flash format, which is also FLV, and you can use the video properties to upload the text for your captioning. And here's a screenshot of what is happening behind the scenes for adding a video and the closed captioning text to the video. So here's a sample video. You can see that there's closed captioning on the bottom of the video screen. You can put in, if you have, for example, two instructors, you can notate who's talking by perhaps changing colors or making one person's voice in italics and another person's voice in bold. So there's definitely really good capability to use closed captioning files. So when adding closed captioning, you have to create an XML file, and actually right here is a template that we can use and we can share with instructors for adding closed captioning to the videos. And what you really need, or what the instructors are going to need, is some kind of experience or some kind of training in HTML, which is really not that difficult to learn. And you can then use Notepad to manually type in your closed captioning text. Lectora has the ability to do a complete 508 compliance check, and all you have to do is click on Tools in the Lectora software and then do a 508 compliance check. And the Lectora has the capability to do a review and provide suggestions to make your training 508 compliant. And here I just wanted to show you that the CDC is also using Lectora, and they have some really good information on how to use Lectora, which was really nice to see how they use their training, and it helped me identify Lectora's capabilities. One other thing that I wanted to touch upon is that Lectora does have testing features, so if you want to do something like true, false, question, like a short essay question answer type format, multiple choice, it has all those features. So for example, this is my test, and this is a true false question, and it says Lectora has closed captioning features. Well, that's true. I'll click on that. So, in summary, I just want to share with everybody that Lectora allows modification of alternative text to images. There's closed captioning indeed available, which we can add into the videos. Lectora gives the ability for instructors to insert video, and it has the tools and resources to check for 508 compliance. Plus, there's also a variety of testing tools available for the instructors, and it can provide the user or the student instantaneous feedback on their test results. And that is it. So thank you very much for listening in.